Good morning children, back to the class. I hope you all are keeping well at home and studying. After little time I have given you for the moral science little more time. I hope by this time you have completed your copy and you have learned some textbook I told you to read. You have to make your own questions essay. I hope you have done about all the fourth lesson. Please, if anybody has not completed reading the lesson and completing the copy, do it. Only one lesson I completed, so that one already you should learn by this time. Now today let us start the new lesson. So new lesson is whatever the new lesson name. Lesson number 5, loyalty and faithfulness. Loyalty and faithfulness. What is faithfulness and what is loyalty? Loyalty means what we read from the books and all, isn't it? Loyalty refers to what? Faithfulness, trust, honesty and what other? Reliability. So all this loyalty means the way we live. Loyalty and faithfulness, and loyalty and responsibility. These both are, when you are responsible about your work, then you are a loyal person, isn't it? When you are loyal to your work, so you are a responsible person. This loyalty and responsibility is always together. This both always work together. Now let us go to the lesson so that we can learn more things. Books abound in stories of loyalty and faithfulness. Loyalty refers to the faithfulness, trust, honesty and reliability. It demands devotion to one's duty towards others. It is a supreme moral quality. So here what they are telling, demands devotion to one's duty towards others. We have to be, when my duty, that I have to see that my children are studying, my children are following. I have to teach. My duty is what? I have to give knowledge to you. That am I doing in a correct way? Then I am a loyal. Means I am keeping the loyalty. Then I am a responsible person. And are you following the classes? No. Because I have not seen many are not at all following the classes. So are you a responsible student? That you have to think how many are responsible about your studies and all. How many are responsible about your works, school works or at home. Are you doing this much holiday? You are sitting at home. Then you should be little responsible. Before that, everything we are giving, since we see you in the class, then we can know what you are, how you are studying, who is back, means who is back in studies, all things the teacher will know. Since you are at home, means we don't know. And when we conduct exams, how many are writing sincerely? We don't know. Everybody says we are doing, but how many are? Are you responsible? So are you faithful person? Faithful means what is here? Trust. You should, the teacher should believe you that, or the teacher seeing your answer sheet, the teacher should believe that you have done by your own, you have not cheated. So how many are getting the like that comments from the teachers? So you have to think. Loyalty springs from the heart. So rises the springs means it rises up from the heart. Heart and is wrapped in the love. So means wrapped in the love means that it is loyalty springs from the heart and is wrapped in the love. Means that loyalty has to rise up from our heart. So that should show in our action. The action means through our love it should be come out. Whatever we see. So when we are doing our work, then out of love we speak and we say everything. So then when we are not doing our work, when we are hiding things, then we cannot be free with anybody. And we will be every time getting angry or irritation, all these things will be coming. The next one what they are telling here. So here often we see the dogs are spoken of as most loyal and faithful of their masters. Isn't it? The dog, why we say always the faithful. Dog means faithfulness, whenever we speak, the dog we say. Honesty means the faithful means the dog we use. Because the dog, once we start loving, caring the dog, When it is small ones, if you care, if you are not at home also, it won't go any other homes and do anything. And it won't allow any other outsides to enter your house. Just what you are giving, little food you are giving time to time. So for that food, she lived till the dog's death, he or she, till the end of the life, the dog will be faithful to the masters. The house she will protect like its own house. So that's why always we remember and we say that a dog is a faithful animal. Animals have no gila. So gili means what? Guile means this is a guile means what? Cunning. So the dogs are not cunning animals. All the I am not telling everything. So some fox and all they are cunning only. This is the time and attack. But this dog is not a cunning animal. It is always faithful to the master, we can say. So cannot be, we cannot say all the animals. Some are there very faithful and some animals are there very cunning and all. The next one, here what they are telling, hence they are trust, since they trust their master, so they are very good. The sight of blind people bring lit by faith dogs is the most inspiration. So the dogs are the most inspiration, we can say. The sight of the blind people means those who are not believing all the things. We can bring the dogs and give a best example for these people. Loyalty stems from the sense of responsibility. I have told you starting. Loyalty and responsibility are together. They both work together. Loyalty and responsibility are two sides of an coin. So coin is there, 1 rupee coin. Our two sides in India, it shows our this one. And like that only, like a coin it is, two sides. One side is loyalty and the other side is responsibility. This both when together only it will be there, not separate. If you are a responsible person, then you are a loyal person. And if you are a loyal person, if anyone says, so you are a responsible person. If you live our life, if you live your life in a responsible way, it shows you are loyal to God. Yes, my dear. When you are responsible about your life, then it tells that you are a loyal to God. So means all these things. You are loyal to your parents when you follow their instructions. When you are following the parents, whatever you don't do this one, you sit and study, my dear, means whatever the parents are telling, if you are obeying then their instructions, then you are a responsible and a good person. Your sense of belongings towards your family makes you responsible to protect its honor and prestige. So when you are responsible, then what it brings up for your family only honor and prestige. So when you are naughty and every time all the neighbors are giving you scolding, means are you a good or a what do you say, honor for your family? No. So when you will be honor, if all the neighbors are appreciating you for your good work, is good at studies, good at doing all the works, when they speak about you, then you are a honor for your family. You are a privilege. So you are a honor for your family, we can say. You are loyal to your teacher if you obey and respect them. So the teacher also same thing dear. When we are as a student, when we respect only, when we grow up, our students, and if you become teacher, they will respect. Or if you are respecting your parents, then only when you become a parent, your children will be respecting you. How you give, the same thing will be coming. Speak highly of the institution you are at the part of. So whenever you are studying, wherever, you have to speak about your institution highly. This school I am studying, I am not. If you speak means what others will think. Maybe unknowing people, oh maybe this school is not good. Or That's and about the teacher also. If you have half of the knowledge, or because of the anger, since the teacher scolded you, since you have not done your work, then only teacher will be scolding you. Otherwise the teacher won't scold, isn't it? So that time what we will be doing? When we are not doing our work, only we will get the scolding. So that anger you should not show on the institute or anything. Every institute has the right to expect loyalty and faithfulness from all the inmates. Means the people who is working there, the person who is included in that particular institute. You need true unshakable friends in your life. So unshakable friends means you should have the good friends. For the any problem is there, they should not go from you. The unshakable friends means whatever difficulty is there, they should be there for you. You should believe that my friends are there for me. So in that strong, if you have, then there we can say unshakable friends. The greatest invention of the true friendship is loyalty. A loyal friend will stand by you through thick and thin. You feel yourself blessed if you find a friend who is extremely loyal into you. So like that friends very rare we are having. So once we believe means the friend should be when you are sad moment or when you are happy moment also, both he should participate in both situations. Only when you are happy for the parties is coming, and when you are sad he is just going from you means he is not a loyal friend to you. So that you have to remember. So all these things are there, you have to keep in a mind. Being loyal and faithful to others is an act of love and instantly recognized as a such. Your actions speak louder than your words. Yes, dear children, you remember this thing every time. More than your words, your actions. So whatever you speak louder than your words. You have to, your action speaks. What you do only will be shown. What you speak, I will do this, I will become this, that, this. So many ideas you will have. But how much you are putting in a action. So what you are doing, according to the what you done by your hand only, it showed. What you speak from mouth is not needed mainly. Next, it is very difficult to convince someone that you are loyal if your actions indeed otherwise, and broken trust is difficult to reject. So once the trust should be there. In each person we should have trust. If the trust is not there means what will happen? Why trust is not there on the particular person, your friend you are telling, but he is going on speaking to others, or he is not doing his work. At home, your parents also, as a student, they told you to do work. Every time you are telling this or this excuse and you are escaping. Then they will have trust on you, or they will believe you that they can say to you anything, or they will believe that whatever you say is the truth, because they don't have the trust on you. That's why we should always remember that the trust should be there. Once we lost that trust about ourselves, then we cannot, how much we try to prove ourselves, nobody will believe what we say is it true. So they think that every time we are saying a lie. So because you lost the trust from them, that you have to, that's why you have to be very careful. You are loyal to the country if you behave as a responsible citizen. Loyalty and faithfulness bring responsibility and accountability. So here, when you will be the loyal to your citizen means when you are responsible towards the country, then they will call you a good citizen of the country. So that you have to keep by yourself. You have to act according to that. So dear children, till here half of the lesson we completed. Now in next class we will see till here. Please read out the lesson, page number 19. Read the lesson so that you will understand little more clearly. We will continue the lesson in next class.